Welcome back to Bike Magazine. Today we're diving into the exciting world of tricycles, specifically the innovations we can expect in 2025. Whether you're a casual rider, someone who's looking for a stable alternative to two wheels, this episode is for you. Tricycles have come a long way from the classic childhood rides. In 2025, we'll see a blend of technology, design, and sustainability that's set to redefine how we think about three-wheeled transportation. First up, let's talk about design. The Tricycles of 2025 will focus on lightweight materials like carbon fiber and advanced alloys. This will not only enhance speed, but also improve maneuverability. We're also expecting a variety of styles, from sleek urban commuters to rugged off-road models, ensuring there's a tricycle for everyone. Next, let's discuss electric tricycles. With battery technology advancing rapidly, we'll see e-trikes that can cover longer distances with shorter charging times. Imagine cruising through the city with pedal assist features that adjust based on your speed and effort. This will make long rides accessible and enjoyable for riders of all fitness levels. Now let's get techie. Smart tricycles will integrate features like GPS navigation, fitness tracking, and even collision detection systems. Picture this: a built-in display that shows your speed, distance, and even connects to your smartphone for calls and messages. Safety and convenience in one package. Sustainability is key for the future. In 2025, expect more manufacturers using eco-friendly materials and production processes. Some brands are even experimenting with solar panels to extend battery life. Choosing a tricycle isn't just about personal convenience, it's also about reducing your carbon footprint. Finally, let's talk about community. Tricycles are becoming more popular in various social movements, promoting inclusivity and accessibility for those with mobility challenges. Let's see more initiatives that encourage tricycles, from local events to urban planning that accommodates three-wheeled riders. So there you have it. The tricycle revolution is coming in 2025, and it's shaping up to be an exciting time for riders everywhere. What features are you most looking forward to? Let us know if you want us below.